Well, it's 8:52. Just coming up on 9 a.m., which is our deadline for getting out of camp. And we are 8 minutes ahead. Here we go. So today is Lake Richardson. Section just out of camp. Richardson Lake, straight ahead, and Camper Flat, go to the left. A lot of these nice little ponds along the trail. Just wonder how many of these would be dry if it hadn't been a big snow year. They're pretty little ponds. Eleven 12.1 at a new intersection of Richardson Lake, staying on the PCT, TRT, or Meeks Bay, if you want to go that way. And we're only about 45 minutes out of camp. It's 9:30. We've gone a mile and a half. We just left Phipps Creek and we've gone 3.5 miles. Let's see, I double check that. Yeah, 3.5. Really beautiful here. It's been pretty much all forest last part of yesterday and all today. So no real long views, but lots of nice forest. Seems to be a little bit of a bear population around here. We've seen evidence of it and heard stories from other hikers. We have yet to see our own. Keeping an eye out anyway. All right. Point 2 PCT and TRT. I don't know what mile marker we are on. TRT. Looks like I can see the summit of this climb coming up through the trees. Been climbing for 20-30 minutes now. Coming up on 5 miles for the day. We're at almost 8,000 feet. It's noon straight up. All right.
It's all southbound. Great.
Yes.
You're making good time.
Yeah, it's going well. So
When did you start?
July 9th. Hoping the Sierras will be fine late in the season, but
Well, you're
Yeah.
here.
yeah.
No mosquitoes.
Well, storm coming
No
Thursday. You know about that?
mosquitoes. Storm coming Thursday.
That's what we're told.
Oh, I heard some rain.
We,
But,
a little
yeah,
chilly.
All right, good
But
to know.
You
yeah.
can handle it.
What's your average daily mile?
I'm trying to do 25.
You'll be through the Sierra pretty quick.
Yeah, he'll be through before the storm.
Well, the Sierras I might take it a bit more easy. But what about you? What section are you hiking?
Well, we're semi-locals, and Pete's kind of got a lifetime PCT project going.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
He's filling in a segment,
Uh-huh.
and we're just doing a 5-day hike.
Nice.
Echo Lake to Donner.
Oh yeah, I heard
No.
more people doing that. Yeah.
If we do all that, it's going to be a 7 or 8 day hike. We're just cruising.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I go tomorrow morning. Yes.
Yeah.
So
You have a trail name?
Mayo.
Mayo?
Mayo, just like the mayonnaise. Yeah. No, not at all. No.
Where are you from?
Netherlands.
Ah,
Netherlands.
Came all the way here just to do our little trail.
Just to walk a couple miles here. Yes. It doesn't. There were actually a lot of people a couple days ago. A lot of hikers around Donner Pass who were like, I don't know, asking if they could take pictures or filming because they thought it was so nice to meet a PCT hiker. I felt like a celebrity.
Day 1.
Yeah, so that was kind of funny. Yeah.
A specimen.
Yeah.
What's your YouTube name? She asked.
Rancho Coyote.
Rancho Coyote.
Rancho Coyote. And you're just doing small sections of the PCT and other.
Yeah, the most we get together every year and do something, and most we've done is like 12, 13 days, a couple hundred miles.
Oh,
We filled in everything from Mexico to Tuolumne Meadows at Yosemite. So this is my first chance to get a few miles north of that. So.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah.
Because I live in San Diego, it's a long drive up here to start getting any new miles.
Yeah.
You should read. We have lunch here?
It's that time.
right.
Whatever you guys want to do.
We're ready.
Ready. All right. Nice meeting you.
Yeah. Nice meeting you.
Take care. Have a good one.
Enjoy your
Stay
hike.
safe out there.
Thanks.
Good old boulder, just sitting on a boulder. Did everything fall away from that, or did it fall from somewhere and land there? Interesting. We've got the General Creek turnoff here, and then PCT continues this way. So here we go. 18.3 on the PCT, and we are exiting the Desolation Wilderness. So in 3 days, we have completely crossed from south to north of the Desolation Wilderness on the PCT/TRT. And we're moving on. 719.3. And we got a Jeep road here, road crossing. And my Far Out app does not tell me what road this is, but I'll try to look it up on the map and put that in when I'm editing. So we got the PCT, Tahoe Rim Trail in this direction. That's where we're headed. So we'll talk to you again soon. Yeah, that's what it looks like just past that road crossing. We've had 3 or 4 thunderclaps in the last 10 minutes. I think it's these right up here. I did a separate video on preparing this meal pre-hike, and then I also did another longer version of this meal, cooking it and preparing it in camp. And I'll put links to both those videos in the description box if you're interested. Mix that in with everything. Mix it in. Get it to start softening up and melting. Okay. This is a snapshot map of the Richardson Lake area. That upper arrow is where we camped. The lower arrow is called Ludlow Hut. And it's a pretty cool hut that's up here. It's just on the other side of the lake, easy to get to. I think it's owned by the Sierra Club, somebody said, and I also think you can reserve it. So might be something to look into if you're interested. We did a full tour, walked through the whole thing, and I recorded a lot of it, so I'm going to post that separately. I'll put a link in the description box below if you're interested to take a look. All right. Now this is Richardson Lake.